Do you ever feel tired even after 8 hours of sleep? Do you feel like your energy is at a minimum and coffee and energy drinks no longer help? This isn't just fatigue, it's your mitochondria losing strength. Mitochondria are the power plants of your cells, producing energy for your body. When they weaken, you experience fatigue, brain fog, and loss of strength. Imagine your body as a car. Without fuel, it cannot function. Your mitochondria are those engines, and if they are weak, your body slows down. But why does this happen? Factors like stress, poor diet, environmental toxins, and aging can weaken mitochondria, reducing your vitality and resistance to fatigue. Mitochondria produce ATP, the molecule that provides energy to every cell in your body. When we don't support them, we lose energy and strength. A proper diet can help, but it is often not enough. Unfortunately, modern eating habits often do not provide the key nutrients needed for optimal mitochondrial function. That's why supplements exist that directly support their work. Advanced Mitochondrial Formula contains key ingredients that nourish and restore mitochondria, helping you regain your energy. Here's what's inside this powerful formula. D-Ribose, a natural sugar that helps mitochondria produce more ATP, improving energy levels. Niacinamide, vitamin B3, essential for cell regeneration and reducing inflammation, supporting mitochondrial longevity. Itadori extract, a powerful antioxidant that reduces oxidative stress, protecting mitochondria from damage. Coenzyme Q10, essential for energy transfer within cells, improving endurance and recovery. Magnesium plays a key role in ATP production, helping your body handle stress and fatigue more effectively. Alpha-lipoic acid, a strong antioxidant that restores mitochondrial function and improves glucose metabolism. Acetyl L-Carnitine, an amino acid that helps transport fatty acids into mitochondria, where they are converted into energy, improving physical and mental endurance. These ingredients are not just ordinary vitamins. They directly impact your energy, helping you feel younger and stronger. If you recognize yourself in these symptoms, it might be time to support your mitochondria. Here are some signs. Chronic fatigue, even after rest. Poor concentration and brain fog. Lack of motivation and energy throughout the day. Slow recovery after physical activity. Poor sleep and circulation issues. A common question people ask is, how soon can I expect results? Most people notice improvement within a few weeks, but the first signs come after just a few days. Increased mental clarity, better focus, and less fatigue. For the best results, daily use is recommended. Regular supplementation helps mitochondria recover and function more efficiently. Don't let fatigue dictate your life. Try Advanced Mitochondrial Formula and restore power to your cells. Link for more information in the description.